You may have previously seen Snapchat's infamous baby face filter, but the newest Time Machine lens lets you progress from baby face to elderly. Let's dive into how to use this fun new filter. Open Snapchat and switch to your front-facing camera. Then tap the smiley face icon to access filters. Tap the Time Machine filter icon. Move the slider to the left to make yourself look younger, or to the right to make you look older. If you want, you can snap a picture or video with this filter on. When recording a video with this lens, you can continue to adjust how young or old you look. That's all it takes to use Snapchat's Time Machine. If you haven't yet, be sure to like the Tech Boomers Facebook page. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.